Today's topic is Show Ruler in Google Earth. Let's continue. Show Ruler tab shows the tab of line, path, polygon, circle, 3D path and 3D polygon. Open Google Earth. Navigate to the location where you want to add the path. Click on the Show Ruler and select the Line tab. As you click on the Line tab, it will show you the length of line in terms of map length, length on ground and heading. Draw the line. The dialog box is showing the length of line. You can save the line. Name the path. Can add the description. You can see the length of line under Measurement tab in different units. You can change the color and width of line under Style Color tab. Click OK to save the created line. Click on Show Ruler again and select the Path tab. Start clicking on the region to start drawing your path. Each click adds a vertex to the shape. You can click multiple points to outline your desired area. You can see the length of drawn path in different units. Save the drawn area. In the New Path dialog box, enter a name for a new path in the name field. You can add the description of the created path. You can change color, width and opacity of path here under Style Color tab. You can see the length of newly created path under the Measurement tab in different units. Click OK to save the path. Click on the Show Ruler again and select the Polygon tab. Start clicking on the region to draw your polygon. On each click, adds a vertex to the shape. You can click multiple points to outline your desired area. You can see the perimeter and area of the drawn polygon in different units. Click on Save. Name the created polygon. Name the created polygon. You can add the description for the polygon. You can change the color, width and opacity of the lines under Style Color tab. You can change the filled area, color and its opacity. Click OK to save. Under the Measurement tab, you can see the length and perimeter of drawn polygon in different units. Click on Show Ruler again and select the circle. Draw the circle. You can see the radius and area and circumference of the circle in different units. Click on Save. Name the drawn circle. You can add the description. You can change color, width and opacity of the drawn circle. You can see the length of circle in different units under measurement. Click on OK to save. You can see your saved line, path, polygon and circle here under Places window. "3D path and polygon, try yourself." Please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.